Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy pumpkin hairstyle for Halloween with no messy hairspray involved. To start, I've popped the hair into a centre parting. Now we're just going to take our comb and run it from in front of the ear to the back of the parting. And then just secure this into a high ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then just repeat this on the opposite side. Now I'm just taking this mini hair donut and I'm just going to cut it so it creates a long tube-like shape. I'm going to place it on the end of the ponytail and wrap the ends around. Then I'm simply going to roll this towards the top of the head. Now just grab hold of those ends of the hair donut, bring them back together around the back of the head and secure them down with a couple of bobby pins. Then gently use your fingers to fan out the rest of the hair to cover that padding, and again secure at the back with a bobby pin or two, and repeat this on both sides. Next, I've purchased some orange tights and I've just cut a section of material big enough to cover the bun out of them. So we're just going to place this over one of the buns and use your fingers to poke this underneath the padding, and then cover it with a clear elastic band to help hold everything in place. Take a few bobby pins and secure it to the head where needed. Repeat on both sides. Now I've bought some pumpkins, I'll pop the link to them in the description below, and I'm just going to pull out the stalk and use these to poke them into the top of both of those little hair pumpkins. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.